You are now watching Doorbell News.
Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. This woman's trying to steal a package or some mail or something. So she comes back about 5 minutes later and tries to cover up the camera, as if we didn't see her face on the last clip. We already seen your face, miss. Los Angeles, California. This guy gets caught snooping around. He tries to take the Ring camera, but then the owner catches him.
Hey, what the you doing? He ran. He ran right now.
Get lost. Oakland, California. The only crime I see here is this messy apartment. What is this, an episode of Hoarders or something? This guy has mail everywhere. You think the guy that lives there is the porch pirate. I don't like this kind of stuff. I mean, looks like some guy broke in his house, but I'm more concerned about the mess in front of my face. Atlanta, Georgia. This guy's a real acrobat. Check him out. He's like hopping away, and all he stole was some used Crocs. He's like an acrobat or something. Phoenix, Arizona. Another smart porch pirate gets seen on camera, and then he comes back shortly trying to cover up the camera as if we didn't already see him on camera. These porch pirates obviously don't know what cloud storage is. It's like they're living in the 90s or something. Yeah, cover it up, even though we already got your face and a picture of your car. Real smart. I can still see him still in the package. Las Vegas, Nevada. A woman in bell bottoms is seen snatching something out of a power outlet and then running to a getaway car. Las Vegas, Nevada. As you can see, these females are really taking this porch pirate thing seriously. Obviously, a lot of women are doing this as a profession. Here's another female porch pirate with her getaway driver. It's just like a regular thing now. Don't get mad at us for showing you how it is. We didn't start this porch pirate thing. Mesa, California. A girl comes to someone's door around 3 in the morning, banging on the door. She appears to be tweaking or something, so I don't know what she wants at 3 a.m.
Nah, who the did that shit to you? I don't give a nah.
Akron, Ohio. A man is seen outside of someone's door at around 2 a.m. He wiggles the doorknob. He looks around suspiciously. I notice he has a Marge Simpson tattoo on his arm. Who the hell gets a Marge Simpson tattoo on their arm? Like, yeah, I'm just gonna go to the tattoo artist and say, I want to get a cartoon Marge Simpson on my arm. Looks like Marge Simpson in a bikini or something. This dude is weird. He tries to cover up the camera. Get lost with your Marge Simpson tattoo. New Orleans, Louisiana. Melinda the mail thief goes at it. She's taking everything. She's trying to get your social security card, your new debit card, anything that she can use to steal your identity. Be on the lookout for these type of mail thieves. We have a documentary special coming out about these mail thieves soon. Be on the lookout for that. Oakland, California. This is a prime example of why you need a cam masker. A thief breaks into a house and immediately spots the Ring camera. He takes the camera down and proceeds to rob the house. Oakland, California. A neighbor is seen flipping the camera. These guys need to get lost. Las Vegas, Nevada. Another female porch pirate is out doing her thing. Another day for a professional porch pirate. Port Orange, Florida. A shirtless man is seen trying to enter someone's home. He wiggles the doorknob, and then he walks off. This guy looks real fishy. Get lost, old man. West Valley City, Utah. This is a weird video we came across. A man is seen riding a four-wheel all-terrain vehicle in the middle of the street. It looks like he does a wheelie. Then all of a sudden, when he goes out of the camera's sight, multiple gunshots are heard. The homeowner says police didn't even come after all the gunshots. We don't have any more info on this. This is a strange video. Chicago, Illinois. A teen is seen knocking over someone's security camera. The homeowner is calling him Mexican Jordan. Alameda, California. Another day for a professional porch pirate. A porch pirate is seen walking off with a pretty large package. Could it be an Xbox? Atlanta, Georgia. A burglar is seen walking right in someone's house. This is why you always gotta have your doors locked. These guys will walk right inside your house. Imagine waking up and seeing this guy in your face. New Orleans, Louisiana. This lady looks pretty tweaky. She tries to gain entry, and then she's seen sitting on the homeowner's porch for a while, looking clueless. She needs to get lost. Emeryville, California. A bike owner stops a theft in the process thanks to his Ring doorbell.
What the fuck are you doing? Fucker. Did you see that? It always happens when I'm not home. Did you blast them?
Get lost. Doorbell News Crime Watch, coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.
If a thief breaks in, the first thing they'll notice is your security camera. Hide your camera with Cam Masker. Cam Masker works with Ring, Wise, Blink Mini, and Nest Cam. Order yours today at cammasker.com.